Now, in the era of decentralized finance, we are increasingly seeing dozens of new projects that have reached and presented heights. All this is due not only to their phenomenal concept, but also to the convenience of quickly exchanging some tokens with others due to the swaps that have appeared, one of which has recently become PancakeSwap, where, as a matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, you will now be able to purchase the ZER token. And to be more precise, its wrapped version is wZER. This is done for many reasons. But before I talk about them, I suggest that all those who hear about ZER for the first time take a look at my previous issue, where I go into more detail about ZER and the associated wallet. I will definitely leave a link to the video in the description. So, what is wZER? I will tell you that wZER is a Binance SmartChain token. It also belongs to the BEP20 token standard, that is, a clone of the ERC20 tokens. Wrapping services support the ZER wZER bridge and the wZER BSC smart contract. Thus, users can easily choose to exchange ZER for wZER to use them in the Binance SmartChain, after which they can exchange these tokens back to ZER at any convenient time. And all because both these addresses T and Z are compatible. This means that both transparent and private transactions are accepted, where for every ZER sent to the bridge, you will get one wZER per BSC. But why all this is necessary, and what benefits will the user gain after ZER is available on Binance SmartChain and PancakeSwap? And that's where the fun begins. After all, thanks to the fact that the ZER token will now be available on a decentralized exchange, anyone in the world will be able to buy ZER using PancakeSwap. It will also entail lower fees and faster transactions for wZER trading on BSC and PancakeSwap compared to other DEX. Plus, users will be able to store their wZER together with other coins by choosing any of the wallets that are convenient for them to use, whether it's MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or other wallets supported by Binance SmartChain. As well as everything else, all these transitions will entail the expansion of trading pairs, thanks to which users will be able to exchange wZER directly for many other tokens listed on PancakeSwap and Binance SmartChain, which you will agree is very convenient. However, this is not all. After all, in addition to all that I have already listed, ZER will be able to further expand its DeFi offerings by leveraging fundamental capabilities of PancakeSwap, such as pool liquidity rewards, staking, farming, etc. Plus, ZER owners will have another opportunity to earn passive income. They now make money by staking, using shared pools, or using a ZER masternode. And now they can earn money by contributing to the wZER pool, and as a result get a reduction in dependence on centralized exchanges for tokens, which very often negatively affects exchanges. And all because DEX pool ensure that users' ability to trade specified tokens will never be affected, which I think is also not a little important. Also, thanks to their integration with the Binance SmartChain, ZER is already becoming part of the Binance ecosystem, which in turn helps with the efforts towards listing on Binance DEX and CEX. Plus, wZER will be able to use BSC Scan, a leading industry researcher, to produce high-level, real-time analytics, and many other things. However, to better understand this, let's take a look at the most popular question section and see what you can do with your wZERs. And so, owning wZER gives you access to the entire BSC DeFi ecosystem, where first wZER will be available on PancakeSwap with a wZER USDT pool, where you can exchange your wZER for USDT or many other assets that has a pool on PancakeSwap, even if it is not directly connected. And also have a chance to take part in the new airdrop, which is designed to encourage early liquidity providers throughout April. For this purpose, a so-called series of weekly giveaways will be held, and additional giveaways are planned for future dates. The current distribution offer is 5,000 wZER, of which 100% of the airdrop will be paid to the holders of the liquidity pool tokens that provide liquidity to the wZER USDT pool. This distribution will be based on the 4 snapshots, where after each snapshot, only 1,250 wZER will be distributed, which will be automatically flushed to the addresses of LP token holders according to the percentage of the pool they hold. Therefore, be sure to save the following dates if you plan to take part in all this. However, in all this history, perhaps the most important thing is the mechanism for setting up and replacing ZER with Binance SmartChain. And so that this process doesn't cause you unnecessary problems, the development team has compiled a detailed instruction where you can follow step by step to easily perform and seemingly at first glance, not a simple action. As always, you can find a link to the article in the description. At the same time, I also note that no one has previously done this with the Z addresses in this space. That is why wZER is one of the unique points of sale. In the meantime, at the end of my review, I will say that before doing anything in the world cryptocurrencies, study all the available information about the project. Get acquainted with all the features and advantages of the project, as well as access to the possible risks. And only then act. After all, I remind you that my channel carries only information character and doesn't call you to anything. All the best, that's all I have. Good luck and bye!